Friends, in this special video, we will reveal the journey of the world-famous Mercedes-Benz car, showing you how this royal machine is made.
We need to optimize the airflow around this section of the chassis.
If we adjust the tolerances here, we gain efficiency.
Agreed, the data supports that modification.
The gauge reading here is slightly off spec.
Let me double check the calibration on the handheld.
Check the alignment on subframe 7.
Looks good. Tolerances are within spec.
The tolerances look good on this section.
Confirmed. Data stream is stable.
We utilize advanced high-strength steel here in the crumple zone. It's precisely engineered to deform predictably in the event of a collision.
The laser scan shows perfect alignment across all axes.
Safety parameters are nominal.
Alignment confirmed.
Suspension and braking systems installed by American workers in Mercedes-Benz uniforms.
Final assembly line showing nearly completed Mercedes-Benz vehicles.
Quality inspection team checks every interior and exterior detail.
We're seeing some saturation here at the sunroof junction.
And the sensor reading on the passenger side is spiking.
The torque curve looks excellent at high RPMs.
We've successfully validated the engine output.
The alignment data on the rear axle seems slightly off spec.
It is within tolerance. The vehicle is flawless. Approved.
It's this dedication to masterful craftsmanship and precision engineering that truly defines the Mercedes-Benz experience.
Delivery preparation zone, where Mercedes-Benz cars are wrapped and documented. Convoy 39, you are clear to approach the carriers. Maintain spacing.
Congratulations on your new S-Class.
Thank you so much. We love it.
It's absolutely stunning in black.
Congratulations on your new Mercedes. Enjoy the drive.
Oh my goodness. Thank you so much.
We appreciate it.
Look at this interior. It's absolutely stunning. The leather
Smells incredible.
Factory staff watches proudly as the Mercedes-Benz starts smoothly.
The Mercedes-Benz car exits the factory gates into daylight.
Look down there. It's incredible.
It really is. I'm so glad we decided to take the long way home.
Smooth highway shot emphasizing Mercedes-Benz comfort and performance.
Mercedes-Benz drives toward the horizon.
Final exterior hero shot of the Mercedes-Benz. Fade out as the Mercedes-Benz disappears down the road, symbolizing luxury, precision, and trust.
Friends, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe
to stay with us.